I thought that being a content creator, yeah, you are to Charlie, it's very hard. I thought that most of the people in Sabia, the difficulties we go through as a content creator in Sabia, coming up with the idea, creating the videos and doing the editing. But Charlie, in reality, and come crowd. Nancy Obey say, and then say, and Nessie, but you say, Miss, I take up the camera and by recording. My be a view, the lighting yes, solid, be solid. Me share video na say na mo sa 170 na mo. Ay, what's not the pay I say? Charlie, me spending almost 1 hour trying to get this once off the set. And yes, who should na once in the mo actually what's up? My yes, I be 1 hour me nya once na yinko no. Me inside me timi pamo no mpo. Inti the ben say me bibi pumane getting that to one man. Me pia bonte ko twa me ho kakra ba me ba afin mo say once na ni ho. So many incidences see about content creating is very ridiculous. Because it go bust your mind. She's so good to say oh you're recording. What's not so you're recording? Obeka say in every sana aja record button no. Nancy Anna, one of the content creators, one of the guy, good friend of mine, no casting say, Tina so record the video. Bo play I record the video, you are taking the bear 1 hour, kasa via or share ya. Audio. The mic was not on. That's what wasted all of 1 hour ago. And when the day he can say, and yes, or record we are not share you, baby, or record to us or Charlie or Kotama. That's a number of banana kwa editing no. And you share the video has no audio. So being a content creator has a downside, just like any other business and any other job. Sana content creation should take. It's about time. It's time to go on my idea or who say been dropping videos upon videos and I say so many videos. It's not just because the person is not working on a video. The person might be working on a video for a long time. I can't remember saying me record a video be almost 6 times and some meaning how I like. It's my record video never. I was having a problem with network issue. I think the video was about creating something. I've forgotten. But in a tutorial, instead of saying internet connectivity, it's me train my OTP above. Train OTP ba. So I had to pause the video and start another time or another day. And yes, still the same. I was facing the same problem. So until almost a week, now me record just one video. To me the project be to home. Now I'm a project for just to just maybe after that, I'll just come back to that project to see. Start being on home. We will be in case of say when it's content creation one. I deal with I also to me say and sound one marketing and one a keep you on the low and one a base some small obstacles I be one getting the video idea, sitting talking to the camera, and also Sunday it doesn't really becomes a problem. But the incidents, the bit how a bit I thought to me a recording and no one say I could be the background no bending. So what I say, oh you know so be susukasa bending. Anyway, where HY is only how we do it. Thanks for watching this and see you in the next one. Bakrao.